never did this before, you guys. I'm making a little vlog today. We're taking my cat to the park on the bike.
Yeah.
Let's go. Alright, you guys, we're taking him now. Madu, it's gonna be okay, buddy. It's your first time. First time for everything. Alright, you guys, we're at the park with Madu now. It's Dennis. We're headed to the ride. Woo. Madu! You guys, it was a success. Madu really had fun. As you guys can see, he's not as scared as before. Woo, if you guys want to see the whole video, I have my vlog up on YouTube. Click the link on my bio. Okay, bye.